Hey, it's Dave Altavilla from Hot Hardware, and we're here with Aaron from Samsung, here to show us Samsung's next Galaxy, so to speak. Aaron, what do you got going on there?
So excited about the Galaxy Note 9, which we're talking about today, and you can see the device here. This is an ocean blue, and we have it coming in two colors in the US, ocean blue and lavender purple. And one of the things we're really excited about is the foundation, if you will, of the Note line, the S Pen. So as you can see here, the ocean blue one, it's a yellow S Pen, and we're adding some features to the S Pen as well to really make it all about not only how you use it on the device, but how you use it away from the device. So there's Bluetooth capability now, so you can easily press and hold the S Pen and launch an app. By default, out of the box, it's the camera. Maybe you don't want to see that image of the back of my hand. You can double tap and flip into selfie mode.
Hey, how we doing?
And then from there, oh, look at that, that's like meta.
Look, it's me.
And then I can snap just by clicking once. And you can customize those in the settings as well for the S Pen. So lots of options on how to use that. And the camera's been enhanced on the Galaxy Note 9 also. There's some great artificial intelligence features. One is Scene Optimizer. So I'll take a look at this macaroon plate, and we'll flip back into the main camera.
Sweet.
And you can see those macaroons, they look nice. And then we've got the flower here as well. And you can see it automatically identified that it was a flower, and it'll customize the settings of the camera in auto mode to make sure you're getting the best image of the flower, and there's 20 different scenes that it recognizes. The other cool thing is the ability of flaw detection on both cameras. So, we always have this problem where we blink, or maybe the image is a little bit blurred, or there's smudge on the lens. Now it'll tell you when that's happening. So if I move around, snap, I'll try to get this, it'll tell you, flip back to selfie, that last shot might be blurred. It's a really cool feature. You don't have to worry about taking 3 or 4 photos at once anymore. You've got that one, and if somebody's blinking, it's blurred, it'll tell you right there, and you can retake the shot. So some really cool features in addition to some cool performance features as well. 4,000 milliamp hour battery. We have a 128 gigabyte base model with 6 gigabytes of RAM and a 512 gigabyte model with 8 gigabytes of RAM.
And powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. And it has some special cooling on board, right?
It does. It has advanced water cooling, carbon water cooling in the device as well. So from a gaming standpoint, lots of ability here. So we have some new features with Dex as well on the Galaxy Note 9 with the Dex Hdmi Adapter, taking it to the next level on the Galaxy Note 9. So I'll plug this in, and this is a great, and you've probably seen our Dex Pad or Dex Station. This is a great addition to the Dex family of products, and it brings for those people that are traveling and maybe don't have their keyboard or mouse with them, but have obviously that TV in the hotel room or that monitor in the office. It's easy to connect and be able to access Dex on the monitor, and you can do a couple of different things. You can, let's say, go into Dex. I'll open up a file, let's say PowerPoint image, recent files. And we'll open this. And I'm opening the PowerPoint. I need to look at it, make sure it looks good for my meeting tomorrow, and then I want to go back into the device. I have the ability to still text message, make phone calls, browse the web, and do more on the device itself. And then when I'm ready to go back, I can use the phone as a touchpad with my finger, or I can pull the S Pen out and use that as well, navigating on the device itself. So a lot of versatility here to use both screens to watch a video or browse a PowerPoint and still use the device.
So you can use the S Pen to like advance slides in a PowerPoint, stuff like that?
You can, yeah. So I've got, you know what, it's Aaron's New York City trip. That is not me. Doesn't even look like me.
That's
and I
right.
can slide, yeah, I can move back and forth, just like that. I'll show you.
Very cool. Great for the boardroom or the casual user.
The casual user as well, yeah.
Thanks, Aaron. So that wraps up our quick take hands-on look at Samsung's all-new Galaxy Note 9. Make sure you stop by hothardware.com in the weeks ahead for our full review with all the benchmark details and analysis. And hit thumbs up and subscribe if you like this video, and for additional tech product review goodness and our always entertaining 2.5 Geeks webcast. I'm Dave Altavilla for Hot Hardware with Samsung's Galaxy Note 9. Thanks for stopping by.